we've got something neat here. Sabiem. Motor is right there in that little room. New logic, sadly, but looks like all the other bits of it are original. All the aesthetic and visual bits of it are all original, so that's pretty cool. This is my second old Sabiem. Wow. Do you even need the doors closed? Yeah, you do. Oh, it remembers the call though. Yeah, definitely new logic. It's kind of rickety. Alright, go back down. Sabiem. What does the all button do? I don't even know. Well, that's a good view. Hello, people on the stairs. Hello, counterweight. Why would you take the stairs when there's a perfectly working elevator right here? I don't get it. This thing is way cooler than the stairs. If I lived in this building, I'd take this elevator every damn time. The video of the elevator going up. Oh, look at that. There it goes. Italian elevators are pretty damn cool, I'll say that.